Tired of streaks and smudges dulling your living room's shine? Let's fix that. I'm going to show you the secret to getting a perfectly clean glass table that makes your whole space glow. Forget those harsh chemicals. All you need is a simple mix of 1 part white vinegar to 1 part water in a spray bottle. A little secret: add a couple of drops of essential oil, like lemon or lavender, for a fresh scent. Now, here's the game-changing technique. Instead of wiping in circles, which just pushes dirt around, use an S pattern. Spray your solution lightly, then grab a clean microfiber cloth. Start at the top corner and wipe straight across, then drop down and wipe back in the opposite direction, creating that S shape. This method lifts the dirt completely. For the final touch, buff the surface with a second dry microfiber cloth. Look at that! A streak-free, crystal-clear finish that catches the light beautifully. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple home hacks. Thanks for watching.